Vielen Dank, Anton, für diesen Deep Dive in das Thema Cloud, bei dem wir auch bleiben. Allerdings ist es ja im Sport, im Leben, im Business immer ganz gut, mehrere Optionen zu haben, auf dem Weg seine Ziele zu erreichen. Und deswegen werden wir jetzt gleich Nishant Sharma hören. Er ist uns auch wieder zugeschaltet, beziehungsweise ist das Gespräch, die Keynote, aufgezeichnet. Er ist CTO von Umbrella Infocare, das ist eine Noventiq-Tochtergesellschaft, und er wird uns zeigen, wie AWS in der Praxis funktioniert. Und Praxis ist ein gutes Stichwort, denn er wird Ihnen gleich viele Beispiele liefern aus der Praxis, um Ihr Business besser zu machen. Hier kommt die nächste Keynote für Sie.
Hi everyone. Very good morning. My name is Nishant Sharma. I'm a Global Vice President for AWS Technology for Noventiq's AWS business. And in my role, I work very closely with the Center of Excellence, Global Delivery Center, regional delivery centers, and our customer-facing team, sales and pre-sales team work with customers to understand their requirements and the vision and the problem statement, and try to help them achieve their business objectives with the help of cloud technologies. Okay, today we are going to talk about the AWS business within the Noventiq, which we generally call as the AWS Center of Excellence within Noventiq, which I am currently representing. A little bit of history, the background about the AWS Global Center of Excellence within Noventiq. We are a 10-year-old team who is working very focused on AWS cloud. Currently, we are a premier consulting partner with AWS, and we have multiple major competencies with AWS. Just to give a number, we have more than 6 major competencies and service validations. We have more than 250 specialists who are working from our global delivery center and regional delivery centers to serve our customers. We have served more than 800 customers and delivered more than 1,000 projects in last 10 years. If I talk a little bit about our expertise, our competencies, we are a certified migration competency partner with AWS. We are also a certified data analytics partner. We are a certified DevOps partner, a certified resiliency competency partner. We are also certified for security competency. We are also certified by AWS for providing managed services. So we are a certified MSP with AWS, and we are also, I can say proudly, a part of an elite club that can conduct well-architected reviews and immersion days as per the described framework of AWS. We are also an SCA partner, which is a very distinct badge, I would say, where AWS and Noventiq are co-investing to build cloud business and help customers achieve their business objective, leveraging Noventiq services on top of AWS cloud. From the security and compliances point of view, I would like to highlight at this point that we are an ISO 27001 and SOC 2 Type 1 certified organization. We have more than 98% CSAT score, and we are serving for more than 15 industries. Okay, so we are operating in close to 60 countries, and we have a global delivery center based out of India. Apart from the global delivery center, we have 5 regional delivery centers, and primarily the objective of the regional delivery centers is to address the challenge of different time zones, culture, different languages, because as you can see that we are operating across the globe, and it becomes really important that we have our operations available 24/7. So that's why we are operating, we are delivering our projects from our global delivery centers and 5 regional delivery centers. Okay, so this is our service portfolio, which we are offering to our customers on AWS cloud. If you see, the service portfolio is divided into 3 broad categories. If you look at the top level, which are primarily consulting services, we are offering well-architected reviews, cloud readiness, and FinOps services. So the customers who have not migrated to cloud yet, we offer them cloud readiness services where we help them understand their current IT landscape, their organizational readiness for the cloud adoption, identify the gap for that. We work with them, build a TCO for 3 to 5 years, build a business case so that they can identify the right roadmap for the cloud migration, identify the gap that needs to be fulfilled before or during the migration. And then, let's say once the customers have migrated and then customers are looking for well architected review kind of a services where we can work with customer and provide them the architectural consulting to ensure that their application architectures are designed keeping the AWS well architected review guidelines and the best practices. We are providing that. We are also working with customer to help them in their fin operations, financial operations for their cost optimization and to define the right financial construct with AWS. The middle part, if you see, is more project delivery services where from infrastructure to application to data to cloud security, we are providing various services to our customers. We are helping customers in their cloud migration and the modernization journey. We are helping customers who are already on AWS cloud if they are looking for modernizing application as well as modernizing their cloud infrastructure or their DevOps platforms, and if they are looking to build resilient platform, set up the DR, strengthen their security posture, etc. On the application side, we are helping our customers to build cloud native application as well as modernize their existing monolithic application and transform them into microservices, leverage container based deployment, whether it is ECS, EKS, Kubernetes kind of a setup, or build a completely serverless application architecture. On the data side, we help organization to migrate their databases on cloud, leveraging managed AWS database services, as well as we are helping organization to transform their commercial databases to open source databases to modernize and take the benefit of the cloud-based databases. We work with customer on their data analytics and machine learning journey. We help them build the data lake, data warehouses, lake houses on cloud, ingest data from various data sources, whether those data sources are on cloud or off cloud. That's a very, very unique offering what we provide to our customers. And in some cases, we have seen that customers adopt the cloud for their data needs first, even before they migrate their core workloads to cloud. Generally, we have seen that security is an integrated part of all of these services, whether it is an infrastructure services or application service or data service, while we are doing the deployment or migration. However, in some cases, we have seen where customers have already migrated on cloud, but they are not sure of their cloud security posture, or they are looking for partner to implementation of some of their security measures that they want to take for their cloud environments. That's where our cloud security services come handy for our customers. We work with customer, conduct a thorough assessment of their cloud environments, based upon the CIS security guidelines as well as AWS security best practices, and provide them the non-compliances as well as the recommendation for the remediation of those non-compliances. And then we also help them implement the right cloud native security services or the third party security product in order to address those non-compliances. We're also working with customers in their DevOps and DevSecOps, where security is part of the DevOps journey. Okay, now at the bottom, as you can see, that we have managed and optimized. So basically, we are providing 24/7 managed services for all the services above. Primarily, we have seen customers taking up the cloud-based managed services to manage their cloud operations 24 by 7. We have a dedicated team who works 24 by 7 in those from L3 to L1, L1 to L3, all the levels, which is a completely SLA-based managed services. Our managed services also, help our customers to strengthen their security posture continuously, as well as their cost optimization journey. So, in a way, FinOps and well-architected review for cost optimization and security are an embedded part of our managed services. Okay, so these are some of the industries where we have been working and helping our customers. Just to name a few, like financial services, media and entertainment, manufacturing, SaaS, healthcare, education, retail, consumer goods, etc. I'll not spend much time on that because today's presentation is focusing more on at a high level that what we have been doing and what we are offering to our customers. But I'll be happy to connect offline to talk about any industry specific services and how we are helping specific customer in those specific industries. Okay, so these are some of the customers would like to share with you, key customers. As you can see that we have these customers divided into specific industries: financial services, manufacturing, digital native, media and entertainment, SaaS, ISV, retail, travel and logistics, and healthcare and life and sciences. With this, I would like to spend a bit of a time on the Panasonic. One use case, because we have provided multiple services. I've talked about those, and I'll talk about those various services in the subsequent slide. But this particular slide, we have kept to highlight the strength of our managed services and bundled cost optimization FinOps as a services. So we are currently managing more than 500 servers and 70 plus workload, where we have multiple account landing zone in considering and the following the AWS best practices for large enterprises. We are providing the 24 by 7 managed services, including cloud infrastructure as well as the DevOps. However, the particular point what I want to highlight here is that our specialist team of FinOps engineers, analyze the spending pattern of the Panasonic AWS workload and define the financial construct to optimize the overall cost, as well as identified the architectural, I would say, mismatched or the gaps of the conventional applications that were migrated to cloud, and recommended some architectural changes to the application team. And by adopting those architectural recommendation, they were able to achieve up to 20% of cost saving on an annual basis. So this is one of a very strong USP which we offer to our customer under our managed services, because security, hygiene, and cost in cloud is not a one-time activity, but a rather continuous activity which customers need to perform and continuously maintain their posture accordingly. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Okay, these are the key services which we have worked with for Panasonic, right from the cloud migration, where we have started our journey from cloud assessment, and then we help them build the business case for the cloud migration. We help them building the landing zone, identify the pilot application that can be migrated, and then help them migrate the pilot application, build the operating model for cloud, including the backup, log management, security, compliances, incident management, DR, all of that, and then build a migration factory so the rest of the applications, the workload can be migrated. And then we are working with them in helping them modernize some of their legacy application from the conventional monolithic application to either containers as microservices, or in some cases for the microservices architecture also. Help them implement DevSecOps, security posture strengthening measures. We are providing 24/7 managed services for them. And at the same time, we are also providing and managing the entire billing operations and financial operations for them. Because Panasonic is a large organization, and they have specific billing requirements, which we as a partner are able to cater in, while it comes to consolidation or bifurcation of bill, AWS bill based upon the business unit and the cross charges. Yeah, with this, I would like to thank you for your time today. You have been really a nice audience, and I'll be happy to answer if you have further questions related to Noventiq's AWS services. Thank you.
Vielen Dank, Nishant, für diese Keynote.